Right, so this is the Bosch PC board for the front loader. It's a front loader, an inverter front loader. So the issue with it is not powering on. So I've identified a few faults already here. You see this bulk capacitor here. You see this big cap and this IC. This is the PWM IC. So across the pins of the big cap, I should measure a diode drop in one position, and I should measure a diode drop and an open loop on the other side. So this side is open loop again, and then this side is open loop. So open loop, open loop. So the issue with this one, this IC is bad. Definitely this IC is gone. This IC is gone, definitely. Right, so on this Bosch, remember we identified this IC as the faulty one, the TNY 286KG. So unfortunately we couldn't find this IC, the TNY, the K package. We managed to find the P package. So this one is a TNY, it's a TNY 286PG. It's the same IC, different package. So I had to trace the pinout of it. Let me flip the board over. So I had to trace. It's a 4-pinout IC. So you can see my wires 1, 2, 3, 4. So this one was the feedback, and then we've got the feedback, the drain, and the source, and the bootstrap pin for powering on. So I just traced the pins, and now it's like this. So what I can quickly do is this. I can plug it in. Listen for the relays. I'm pretty sure you're gonna hear a relay clicking. Right, so there's a relay clicking there. So with the relay having clicked there, what we can quickly do is to test some voltages. We should be able to get, I think there should be 5 volts and 9 volts or something. So here's the 9 volts. We have the 9 volts. And another 9 volts. You should have a 5 volts somewhere. I don't know where you're supposed to get it. Well, we're not getting it, so probably it's coming from another voltage regulator. Probably one of these ICs, maybe this one. But the board is powering on, so we can just remove it now. I was only able to measure the 9 volts, but because of the relays clicking, I know that the smaller voltages are getting here. And if the 9 volts is stable, I'm pretty sure the other voltages will be stable. So the 9 volts is for the relays mostly. And then the 5 volts, which should come somewhere, is for the microcontroller IC. Okay, so I have reconnected the PC board. I had the relays clicking as expected. So if I turn it on, it should display there. Okay, the display is on. So I'm just gonna go and put it on spin. This is spin 13 minutes. If I press start, it should lock the door and then start draining and then start spinning. So the start button works. The door locks. I think it should start draining. Right, drain is running. Oh, and the drum is turning. The drum is also turning. So that is good. That is good. So I think this one is fixed. This one is fixed.